So yo, what's up guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So today I'm going to play blox fruits. So I'm already 1567 level, so that means I am in third C. Sorry, I have puff and gold. So today I'm going to trade a lot of fruits like blizzard, pain and phoenix, and I have already started. Oh, this guy has good fruits though. Will you give me let me see. Okay, so he will not. I knew that. Wait, trading blizzard, pain, and PD. Thanks. Please, someone trade. Okay, Luffy. Oh my God, you dang dude! I'm taking a screenshot. Oh my God, this guy got Kiksuni. Why Kiksuni? What his name is? So what shall we do, guys? I can't spin a fruit, so let's see. Kitsune is more valuable than the leopard. New update it came, so let me collect money and I will roll a fruit. So guys, for today I guess I have to get my dream fruit is dough. I already fully awakened it, but I accidentally ate kilo when I was going to do red. So yeah, did that happen to you guys? Because it's so unlucky. I literally cried because this was my dream fruit and I awakened it, dude. The dough red is the hardest red, and I first defeat diamond, then I will go serial wise. And the more you level up, the less money you get from the bosses. Like this, I don't understand, dude. So I have my friend account link. I will send it to you in the description. Please go and check it out. And the boss is not here. Dang it, dude. So la 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 la. But at least here is diamond chest. Yeah, boy. Where's my respawn point? Oh no, cafe. Okay guys, I will see you in hot and cold. So guys, I'm finally here in hot and cold. Sorry. So let's take the quest and kill the boss. Let's move that around. Is here? Yeah, boy. And done. Let's go. Now which boss? I will not do that from the ship because it's so dark. I can't even see a thing, dude. So let's do yeah, ice castle. Let's go. Okay guys, I changed my mind. I will go to the tide admiral because it's more closer. Guys, look over there. It is, the Iceland is there. So let's. Okay guys, we're finally here and I took the quest. Let's go. Please. Dang, dude, he's not here. Shit. Okay, we will go another island. Okay, guys, we made it. So please, is the boss from Germany? I guess Germany. Yeah. Please, he should be here. But I need 2,000, dude. It's not 2,000, like 200k to spin a fruit. Is he here? Don Swan? Oh, that guy's here. Okay, let's go. He gives us money, right? I forgot. What's this? Flame. I got a free flame. Oh, I can't start. So let's go. Okay. So don't swan. I will kick you in your ass. Let's go. Come on, dude. Want me. Yo, this kind of cutty attacks do nothing to me. Only 9,000 are you? I did all that for this. Yeah, I will do trading, man. I will not spin a fruit. Wait, I will take this. Trading blizzard. Oh, okay. Blizzard, spin, and PHUMIX. Bro, are you fucking serious? No one is here, dude. Wait, let me go to another server. Yuppie, yuppie, आएंगे away, please, dude. अब यार, shit. Trading blizzard, pain, trading blizzard, pain, and Phoenix. What the hell? Spider. Wait. Okay. Trade me control. Who's that? Trading all those. Um. Is this guy that? Okay. Please all for that dude. Please. Oh my god. Man. Oh wait. SPIRID. Parent only. What the hell? Oh my god, this guy is a fool, dude. Oh my god. So yes guys, we are not able to trade anything, but next video we will trade a lot of fruits. For till that, take your care and bye bye.